Hey everyone, in this video I will show you how you can cancel your Twitter or X subscription. If you want to cancel your subscription before time so that at that specific day your account will not be charged. So for that you have to cancel your subscription before that day. So for that just open your Google Chrome in your mobile phone and search for x.com. You have to open your account on your Google Chrome because you cannot cancel your subscription from your app. So when you search for x.com, just simply scroll down and open this link x.com/flow login. Simply click on this. Now simply click on phone number or email and simply click on next and log into your account. Now when you log into your account, at the top right side you can see there are three dots. Just click on three dots and click on this drop site. Now in this drop site, click on your profile, and after clicking on your profile you can see the option called premium. Just simply click on premium. Now when you click on premium, you can see at the top the option called premium and manage. Just simply click on this manage, and when you click on manage, just click on manage subscription. Now you can see there are three options. You can upgrade your payment method, you can upgrade your subscription, or you can cancel your subscription. Simply click on cancel subscription and click on next. When you click on next, it will ask you to confirm that you want to unsubscribe your subscription. So just simply click on continue. It means you want to cancel your subscription. Now simply click on cancel plan, and here you can cancel your plan. So just simply click on cancel plan again and your subscription will be cancelled. So this is the way you can unsubscribe or cancel your premium subscription on your X or Twitter account from your mobile phone.